Quack, 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 quack. Oh no, that's poisonous. That's poisonous frog. Quack, 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 quack. I think we need to call this new type of super engines. What's wrong? Did you know? I just have slide down to the slide, but the floor is poisonous came too. I'm so scared. Okay, we're on our way. No, the frog is too big. No, super engine's too small. Okay, we're on our way. Oh, so now I'll need water engine. I need you, water pump. I need you because the frog like loves water. So I need you to bring some water into the frog, so he will love it. And I'll need investigate part. I need you to investigate where is the frog and where is his cave. We're on our way. Oh, I think it's there. I found some fruit pits off the sea. This Gaga Wulu. Okay, on that part. Water! Yay! Quack, quack, quack. Hey, he loves water, but I don't think he will follow to his cave. I know. Water. Yes. But you need to go to the sailboat and let him follow you. Okay. The sailboat to town. Hello, follow me. I think it's in this cave. Follow me. Yay, we did it. So, things, but we need to fix it. Okay. Fix power. You're on it. Okay. On your fixing service. That's it. Thanks for all the travel I caused. And thanks for the frog too, for letting his cone. Yeah. Thanks for YouTube for reporting the problem of all. Thanks. So bye. So next, subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye. See you next video. Bye.